everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the trial balance multi-level report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the trial balance reports menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the trial balance multi-level report. In the trial balance summary multi-level page, we have to select the date range and enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Here we can view the trial balance multi-level report details. If you want to download the trial balance multi-level report details, we have to click the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to view the trial balance multi-level report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.